Okay, in the previous video, I finished the coding for the first grade and second grade, and I wanted to code for the coding for when you do addition and subtraction. So when you do addition, you add these two numbers. When you do subtract and when you do addition, you're going to have a plus sign right here. Okay, then you call the random generator. When you do subtraction, you're going to have a subtraction sign here. All these are invisible right now. Visible is false. Okay, so we're going to click on this one. All right, and we're going to event and go to click event. All right, so when you click it, then we have a picture is operator, and image will be equal to addition. So picture plus all right, so we do that. So if you click on plus sign, you have a, if you want to click addition, then you're going to have a plus sign. Okay, then let's continue right now and next, and then when you finish, you have to call your generate. You have to call that one. Okay, so they will create the random number again. All right, so we're going to do the subtraction too. So we're going to click on subtraction and go to event and click event, and we're going to double click it. So make sure it's subtraction. In the subtraction, and you do the exactly same thing. You see your operation, image, and equal. This time is a minus sign right now. All right, so we got that. Then we also need to call our generate our sub function right there, our sub procedure. So now we take care of that right now. Then we are going to do this. All right, so we are going to do this at the main load, at form load here. When you load the form, at the form load here, make sure it's form load, and let's go to load event right here. Now enter and load event. Make sure it's form load event. So at the form load event here, I wanted the addition already being performed. All right, so not only we choose this, and addition already been clicked, and the number already be there. So you want to say radio addition perform, click. So the click will be form load when you run this program. So the addition already be clicked. All right, so let's go to the next part right now. Next part, we are going to go to this check sum, check answer, this button. So let's click on this button right now. So we are going to go to make sure it is a button, check and click. Okay, so this one a little bit more complicated. At this button, we're going to check whether they get correct answer or not correct answer. What happened? They get correct answer. I need to give them accumulate how many are correct, how many are not correct, and also give a message. So first we're going to say then we need to have two variables right now. So all right, so we also like your number chapter 4, we need a correct answer and we need to user answer. So not only that, we also need to accumulate. Because we want to accumulate, so we will allow the student to do as many times as they want. So we need to keep track. We need a variable which stay in the memory and retain the value. So it's a static variable. Alright, so we're going to do two variables. Now we're going to take the value from the label box. So we're going to say this. And the value is in label box number 1. Alright, and we do the same thing too. Alright, so at this moment we take the value from the label box and save into integer number 1 and number 2 right now. And now we also need to take user's answer. Okay, so once we do that, now we're going to see if they click addition and we add. If they click subtraction, we subtract. Okay, so even though we can use if else, we want to try different structure. So to review that, alright, so in the case is this right now is radio addition. So if you click addition, I'll add these two numbers. If you click subtraction, and I'm going to subtract these two numbers. Alright, so once I got that, I want to check this whether the answer is correct. So if user's answer equal to the correct answer, then we're going to show the happy face, and we're going to accumulate how many the correct answer, and we'll also clear out the text the text input for them to input another answer, and also call the generator, so they generate new sets of number for student to do the next question. Okay, so we do this right now. So if correct answer, you show the happy face and the accumulation of the how many correct plus 1, and clear out the space for the student to enter next answer and call the random generator again. And otherwise, we're going to Alright, so if the answer is incorrect, so we show the message box with a title, say math practice, and the string message is try again, and show a OK and information button. Alright, and at this moment you do the same thing. You want to clear and you want to clear the answer, then you want to allow the student to go back to the box and we want them to go back to that. Then we want to put the LBL, put the correct answer and the text box. So we want to show how many correct, and we also want to show how many incorrect. I made a mistake here. This one is correct. Okay, so I need to do the correct. Okay, and this one is incorrect. Alright, so at this moment I be able to find out how many correct, how many incorrect. Then let's go to the last one right now. Let's go to the last one is you check your so once you click on this, I'll show this. It was hidden right now. So let's click on that. Then we are going to go click event. So go to click. And so we are going to the click event for the checkbox. We say the thing is, alright, if So let's run this program right now. So I started program is already have that right now. So I say 8. Okay, so now if I say run, I say 3. I have a neutral phase, say math and practice again. So then I check on my display summary. 1 correct and 1 incorrect, and I close to finish this program. So I hope you like this program. Okay.